from failing the first 2-3 months, I've got 60. They gave me 58 for the reason that in Italy they said you haven't done your normal path. You have done even though you already have even though I cannot give you 60. I will give you 58. But this was one of the days of when you are ready to die, basically, of the happiness and sense of accomplishment and everything. I am saying this that even though I have from the super success for 20 years at 200,000 per year, um, the last 5 years has been quite challenging with the change of everything, my change and crashing of the business, trying to restart it. But I have never gave up, and I am here to redo my third version of my live production about the books.